Before we get started with this video, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and check out my trading cards game, Godwrath. The links will be in the description box below. Thanks.
Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to advise you to believe there's a solution. So what I mean is, when you're stuck on a hard problem during your game or project creation, do not automatically give up on that problem. Believe in yourself and believe that there's a solution to the problem waiting for you to find it. Believing that there's a solution to every problem that you face motivates you and gives you the drive to look for answers. As many times, problems that you feel have no solutions may actually have the simplest and easiest solutions. Believing there's a solution to a problem gets you more than halfway to finding that solution. You will never be able to find answers to problems that you believe have no solutions, as you will not be searching for them.
That's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and check out my trading cards game, Godwrath. The links will be in the description box below. Thanks. Bye.